Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Hello everyone, welcome to the history of CAT. So in this section we solve a problem on mixture which appeared in CAT 2019. Okay, so let's see what is the problem saying here. A chemist mixes two liquids, there is a liquid 1 and liquid 2. 1 liter of liquid 1 weighs 1 kg. Okay, so I am comparing the volume with the weight. So 1 liter of liquid 1 weighs 1 kg, which means 1000 milliliter is equals to 1000 gram. And 1 liter of liquid 2 weighs 800 grams. So again comparing volume with weight. If half liter of a mixture weighs 480 gram, which means I am now made a mixture which was from liquid 1 and liquid 2. So I mixed liquid 1 and liquid 2 and I made a mixture. Half liter of that mixture. What is the total volume? I don't know, but whatever is 1 liter, I took half liter of that, which means 500 ml. Okay, 500 ml of the mixture weighs 480 gram. Now in that 500 ml, you have liquid 1 and liquid 2. Right? I don't know what part of that 500 ml is liquid 1, what part of that 500 ml is liquid 2, but I know that the total weight of the mixture is 480 gram. That is what is being said to me. Okay, this 480 gram is from liquid 1 and liquid 2. Yeah, I don't know what part of this 480 is from liquid 1, what part of this 480 is from liquid 2. This is again a confusion. Then what is the question asking? Then the percentage of the liquid 1 in the mixture in terms of volume is. So what is liquid 1 in terms of volume? So in this mixture, as I told you, there is a volume of liquid 1 and liquid 2. He is asking me what is the volume of liquid 1, and he has given me the total weight of the mixture. Okay, so that's what the question here is about. So let's write everything and understand as to how do we reach to the solution. So I have a liquid 1 here. Let's write it here. And I have a liquid 2 here. Okay, so this is a liquid 2 here. So this is a liquid 1 and there is a liquid 2 here. What is being said now? Let's compare volume. Okay, so 1 liter of liquid 1 is equals to 1 kg. Okay, so let's just write it here, is equals to 1 kg of mixture. How will I write 1 liter in terms of milliliter? So 1000 milliliter is equals to what? 1 kg. 1 kg, or I can say 1000 gram. So 1000 milliliter is equals to 1000 gram. So what do I understand from this? 1 milliliter is equals to 1 gram. Again, that is my basic understanding from comparing the weight, volume to the weight. So 1 milliliter of volume is equal to 1 gram of weight for liquid 1. Okay, that's what I understand from this. What did I do now? I made a mixture. So this is my mixture. Okay, and my confusion here is what? First of all, what is a volume? So volume versus weight. Okay, and liquid 1 and liquid 2, and I have to compare this liquid 1 with liquid 2. What is the volume of liquid 1 in the mixture? I don't know. Let that be equal to x, something that I'm supposed to find it out. So let the volume of liquid 1 be equal to x. What is the total volume of this mixture? That is half a liter, which means it is 500 milliliter. That's the total volume of this mixture, which means what part of the mixture is the volume of liquid 2? That is equal to 500 minus x. Okay, quite clearly, because I am saying x milliliter is from liquid 1, so 500 minus x will be from liquid 2. Okay, that will be the total volume. If you add both of them, the answer is total is 500. Okay, the total volume is 500. Correct. This is the volume, which means half a liter of the mixture. That's what I have. Now all that I need to find out is this x milliliter corresponds to how many grams. This 500 minus x milliliter corresponds to how many gram. Okay, and then I can reach to my answer. So let's just make a space here so that we can put here this corresponds to how many grams and this corresponds to how many grams, and all that I'm supposed to find out here is this. In this mixture, this corresponds, because the total I know, the total volume is 500 milliliter, correct, and the total gram is 480 grams. Okay, this is something that is being known to me. I need to find out what does this represent. So 1 ml is equals to 1 gram. So x ml will be equal to what? If I am saying x ml of liquid 1, multiplying both side by x, so x ml is equals to what? X gram. Which means I have x gram. I have x gram of liquid 1. Okay, that is something quite clearly I can come from this result, x gram. What gram of second mixture do I have? Because if I add both of them, the result has to come out to be as 480 gram, right? The result has to, what gram of liquid 2 do I have? So let's compare now the liquid 2. What do I know about liquid 2? 1 liter of liquid 2 corresponds to what? 800 grams. Okay, that is something that is being given to me here. So if I again compare this, if I put it in this way, 1000 milliliter is equals to 800 gram. Okay, then what do? I cut everything and I get 10 milliliter is equals to what? Is 800. 10 milliliter is equals to 8 gram, or I can say what? 1 milliliter is equals to 0.8 gram, right? This is what I get from this. What do I need? I need 500 minus x milliliter, because this is also in milliliter, right? Because the total is 500. So I need to find it out now. This 500 minus x milliliter equivalents to how many gram? So multiplying both sides by this and then this, multiplying both sides by 500 minus x, and this also into 500 minus x. So this becomes 500 minus x milliliter is equal to what? Is equal to 0.8 into this, which is equal to what? 400 minus 0.8 minus 0.8x. Okay, so 500 minus x milliliter corresponds to these many grams. Okay, that's what I understand from this. So let's just write it here now. This corresponds to 400 minus 0.8 x. Okay, that is what it is being given here. Now if I add the two, what will I get? If I add the two, x plus 400 minus 0.8 x is equals to 480. Okay, so what is the answer of this now? This is equal to 480 minus 400 is equal to 80, and this is equals to what? This is equal to 1 minus 0.2 x. Correct. So x turns out to be what now? X turns out to be what? Let's just check this now. If I put it here, x is equals to 800 upon 2. Okay, which is equal to what? 2 ones are 400, which means this is 400 gram. This is equal to 400 gram. If this is 400 gram, this is equal to 80 gram, such that the total is equal to 480 grams. So I know out of this 480 gram, liquid 1 was giving how many grams and liquid 2 was giving how many grams. If I'm having this to be as 400 gram, then what is being asked to me? Then the percentage of liquid 1 in the mixture. Okay, if this is 400 gram, now check this out. If this is 400 gram, 1 milliliter corresponds to 1 gram. So if this has given 400 gram, which means I am having what? I am having 400 milliliters of this, because if you have 400 milliliters of this, then only it will give you 400 grams, right? Which means I have this x is equals to 400 milliliter, and this will be equal to what? Then 100 milliliter. Why? Because the total is equal to 500 milliliter. Okay, now what is being asked here? What percentage of liquid 1? So liquid 1 is 400 out of 500. Again, what is 400 out of 500? That is equal to 80. Correct, 80. So the percentage of liquid 1 in the mixture in terms of volume is 80%. So out of the total volume of 500, 80% of that 400 is your liquid 1.